Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to reset the DJI Mic Mini factory reset, hard reset, step by step guide. So method 1, relink, soft reset and DJI Mic Mini. So the step 1, turn on both the transmitter and receiver by pressing and holding their power buttons until they power on. Step 2, press the linking button on the transmitter to enter pairing mode. Step 3, wait a few seconds while the transmitter and receiver automatically reconnect. Step 4, make a test recording to confirm the microphone and the receiver are communicating properly. Method 2, hard reset by power cycling all components. Step 1, power off the transmitter and receiver completely by holding the power button until each device shut down. Step 2, place both devices inside the charging case and leave them there for about 30 seconds. Step 3, remove the transmitter and receiver from the charging case and allow them to restart automatically. Step 4, relink the device manually if they do not reconnect on their own after restarting. Method 3, force repair the device. Step 1, power off both the transmitter and receiver completely. Then turn both devices back on and place them close to each other. Now press the linking button on the transmitter to enter pairing mode and restabilize a new connection with the receiver. And the step 4, record a short audio clip to confirm that the audio is being transmitted and received correctly. Goodbye.